as usual, this is how we roll. This question says, what day was yesterday? What day was yesterday? What day was yesterday? If Monday is in 2 days, if Monday is in 2 days, okay. Now option A is Wednesday. Option B is Thursday. Option C is Friday. Option D is Saturday. Let's know what you think on the comments, okay? Once more, you are welcome to my live stream. What day was yesterday if Monday is in 2 days? What day was yesterday if Monday is in 2 days? What do you think the answer should be? No, you're welcome back. Thank you for joining us once more. Okay, now it says the answer is Friday. Okay. Yeah. Birthdays. Shopping, you're very, that way you are very funny. Michael says hi. Hello there. Jadhav says, hometown, where are they? Welcome to my channel. I'm from Nigeria, okay? Messi or Ronaldo. So what day was yesterday if Monday is in 2 days? Jadhav, I've said that already. Moranquinho says Friday. Okay. Sad says, please choose one. I should choose one. My Nigerian friend, you need a couple of 9 ml push. What is that? Swamp News says Friday, correct. Sad says Messi or Ronaldo. day of cutting. You guys are funny. Please subscribe to the like our live stream if you love what we are doing. Then subscribe to the channel if you've not done that already. Okay. You are all welcome to my channel. Click the subscription button, turn on your notification bell so that anytime we upload new videos, you will be notified, please. Or anytime we go live, you will be notified as well. Now it says Messi. I don't understand. What is Messi and Ronaldo doing here, please? You are highly welcome to my channel. Please like the live stream if you love what we are doing. Comment your answer. Okay, the question is there on the board. What was yesterday? What was yesterday? If Monday is in 2 days, is Thursday, Friday, and option D is Saturday. What's the answer, please? Sorry, network issue. Network issue, sorry. So what do you think the answer should be? What do you think the answer should be? What day was yesterday if Monday is in 2 days? Shopping W says Sunday, Saturday. Okay. Hugo says Thursday, yesterday. Today is Friday, and Saturday and Sunday are 2 days before Monday. Okay. If you say so, Hugo, thank you for your detailed explanation. Someone says the answer is Thursday. Thursday. Um Vishnu says Friday. Metabo, hello. How are you doing? Which language are you speaking, madam? English. Good evening. How are you doing? I'm fine, Kay. Very fine. Are you? Okay, you're from India. Oh, I speak English. Leach says Thursday. Yesterday is not today. Are there any more questions? Of course, we have questions on ground. You need to tell us the answer to this. Okay, Lish, you've already said your answer is Thursday, but unfortunately, Thursday is not correct. So we are going to say what the answer is. All right. Someone says depends. Grant says depends what time it is. Early morning, then it's Sunday. Late night, then it's Friday. Hmm. Okay. Marcus says it's Saturday. James says is the answer afterlife. Grace says it's Friday. James says or before life. Mm. So we keep waiting for the answer to this question. Okay, now let me answer it. Okay, let me answer the question so that we can move on. Let me answer the question so that can I answer? I don't look back. Okay, James, go ahead. Go ahead and answer. Let's see what you have as a solution. What's the answer? Raul says, hi, hello there. You're welcome to my channel. So, what's the answer? James, we are waiting for you. Thank you for your likes. Thanks for liking the live stream. If you don't like what we are doing, tell us on the comments what you think we should do to do better. James, the answer is Thursday. No, that's not correct. You tried, but that's not correct. Okay, now that James has dropped his answer, I think it's time for us to answer that. Okay, first of all, what day was yesterday? This is very important. They're not asking of what day is today. They are asking what day was yesterday. Okay? If Monday is in 2 days. Now, yesterday, if today is Monday, the previous day should be what? it should be Sunday. The other previous day being 2 days back should be Saturday. So if today is Saturday, in 2 days' time is going to be what? Monday. But they're asking what day was yesterday. So yesterday should be Friday. Yesterday should be Friday. If in 2 days' time we have Monday. Yes. No, the answer is not Thursday, James. Okay. Just reason that very well. The answer is Friday. Okay, so that is the answer to that simple but tricky math question. So I'm going to drop another tricky question and I expect you guys to tell me the answer. And this one says, two fathers and two sons. Let me put ink in this particular pen. So two fathers and two sons. Please give me some time to do this because I need the ink to be my writing to be legible. Okay, now this says two fathers and two sons went fishing. Two fathers and two sons went fishing. They caught three fish. They caught three fish. The question now says, and each person got one. And each person got one. Got one. So the question now is how? So how is it possible that two fathers and two sons went fishing, that they caught three fish and each person caught one? How possible is that? James, thank you. All right. So James, do you have a solution to this? If you are just joining, you're welcome. Please do me a favor of liking the live stream if you love what we are doing, then subscribe. If you have not done so that you'll be notified anytime we go live all the time, so that you'll be notified anytime we ask this kind of questions. They are simple but tricky. Simple math questions but tricky. Okay, so um Bishop W says the father number one stole the fish from son number one, and the other father called the police, and then the police caught the father number one because that's too fish. Hi, God, I beg. I don't want to laugh too much. Son after grandfather, three generations, son, father, and grandfather. James says at nursery, that's not kind. Don't worry, James, I'm used to those kind of persons. Yes, he's trying to say that the question is not hard. For him, he think it's not hard. But he doesn't know that this is an IQ question and there is a reason why it's called IQ. To him, it is not hard, but to so many persons, it might be hard. Because honestly speaking, the first time I saw that question, my brain first of all went blank. I don't know where to start from until I took my time to look at it second time before I was able to decipher what actually the question is trying to say. Okay, but there are some persons that don't know how to air their opinion in a very respectful manner. Some people are like that, so I'm used to that anyways, and I'm not offended. All right. Okay, so Lily says grandfather, father, and son. Nice one. Three generations in one frame. Be with be with Vicar says each got one. Yes, we know each got one. How? That is the question. Each got one, we know. How? How? That is the question. How did each get one? How did each get one? Okay. Mm, okay. All right. Grandfather, father, and son. I'm glad so many of us are getting the gist. Anyways, I'm glad, happy about that. James, you're welcome. Thank you for joining us. Thank you. Raro, please, could you write in English? Hi there, please, could you write in English? I don't actually understand Arabic, please. Developer says, hi. Hi, yeah, hello. Developer, you are welcome. Fury says, one of them called in sick at the last minute. No one called in sick at all. Okay. Tobias says, is the son, father, and grandfather they're fishing together? Okay. Tell me about your channel. I am new. Okay, this from what you are seeing, this is JJ Maths class. It's a mathematic channel where I solve math questions and in different branches of mathematics. I also go live to ask IQ questions and controversial questions, and I also supply the answers on the live stream as well. So that is basically what we do here. We upload normal videos, long form shots, and also we go live to connect with our audience directly on live. Thank you so much for asking. You are welcome, developer. Okay, Peter, please, Peter, could you write in English, please? I don't understand. I think that's French, right? Developer, you're welcome. You are highly welcome. So more persons are joining. Let's see what they have as the answer to this question. Two fathers and two sons went fishing. They caught three fish and each person got one. How? Alfred says three. Yes, we know that three persons there, but how is that possible? Because for the fact that each person got one fish, it simply means there are three persons there. How? Game over time says one grandfather, one father, one son. That's two fathers, two sons. Thank you, Game Over, for your explanation. Erica says the grandfather has one son, so he's a father, and the son of the father is also a father. So his father is a grandfather, but also a father, and then the father's son. So that's two sons and two fathers. Okay, I think it's time to hit the nail on the head. So let me tell you guys, though most of you got it right, but I believe there are some persons that still don't understand the explanation. Now, this is how it goes. We are told that two fathers and two sons went fishing. They caught three fish and each person got one. How? Now, since they caught three fish and each person got one, that automatically tells us that there are three persons there. Now, let us explain how. First of all, the fathers are, we have grandfather, which I will explain more. We have the grandfather who is the father to this father. And this father also went there with his son. So if the grandfather's name is Moses and the father's, this man here, his name is James, and his son is Isaac, okay? So it means that if we want to calculate how many fathers we have in this fishing trip, is going to be, the grandfather is a father because he gave birth to this James, right? So grandfather, first father. Then this James is a father because he has a son. So James is the second father. Now we have agreed there are two fathers on that fishing trip, right? Now let's discuss the sons. Remember that James is the son of Moses. So James is a son. So the first son is James. And we also see that Isaac is the son of James. So Isaac is also a son. So Isaac is the second son. So that way we have two sons and two fathers on the fishing trip. Thank you for joining us today. And we go again. We always go live, so always look for the notification, and which is why you should subscribe to the channel so that you come to enjoy this type of questions. Okay, subscribe to the channel. We go live multiple times a day by God's grace. Thank you for joining us. See you in my next live stream and in my videos. Please go to my channel, look to the videos, and try to actually solve or watch the videos as well. My shorts and my long form videos are there for you to watch. All right. I love you all. Thank you for joining, and see you in my next live stream or in my video or in my shorts. Bye.